Now let's create some small diamonds that I will place in this gap that I previously created. To do so, you just need a sketch on the grid points. They automatically snap into the space, so you can sketch them more precise. In order to create a diamond, I need to use the Loft tool first. I need to copy this octagon twice, and then use the copies as profiles to Loft. Make sure that the center pivot point is in the middle of your octagon. Otherwise, you can create lines between the edges, and you can use the center of the intersection of those lines for your transformation center. Now it's time to Loft, but remember to do it separately, because if you do it at the same time, you will create the round shape because Loft works that way. After that, just use the Union tool to make this shape a single object. Place this diamond in the right position. I'm going to do it manually using the Rotate tool. Now I'm going to switch between the views because I need to place the diamond in the right position. Switching is pretty easy because all you need to do is tap on an orientation cube in the top right corner and choose the view you want to look at. Place the diamond and then copy it. Place the pivot point as needed. In this case, this position is going to be the center of the coordinate system. Because I've created the ring around that point. Because of that, copying is going to be very easy. Don't forget to select the copy option from the preference panel, and then just copy your diamond a couple times. Adjust the position from the top view, or from the perspective view, or as it's comfortable to you. There is no need to be very precise, because this is conceptual work, and I'm just showing you the idea. Now copy your diamond to the other half of the ring. I'm using the Move, Rotate, and Scale tool, and I'll rotate accordingly to the pivot point. I'm going to place the pivot point to the center of the ring and then rotate it 180 degrees. After you're done, get rid of the sketches by hiding them in groups. The last touch will be adding colors to our design. I'll try to imitate gold by selecting the yellow color, and imitate the diamonds by making them white. Try to add colors on top of all the surfaces and of the diamonds. When coloring the diamonds, I will select all of them and then choose white. And this is it for this lesson. As you can see, it's easy to design jewelry. Everything depends on your creativity and imagination. Thank you very much, and good luck with modeling.